Well, hello there. Thank you for joining us here at Coolest Life. My name is Tony, and we are here at Englewood Beach on a Sunday. Why? Because Sunday at sunset, right here somewhere. Oh, there it is. At sunset, it's right here somewhere. They have what they call a drum circle. A bunch of people get together and play drums, and a whole lot of people sit around and listen to them. So we're gonna maybe hear it now, because I know where it is. So we're gonna go partake in that and bring you along with us, because you just entered the Coolest Life. So what can I tell you about this thing? Well, not a whole lot. I heard it just happened all of a sudden, but they do have this on a Sunday, and they try to have it when there's no red tide or anything else going on, inclement weather, that sort of thing, or any kind of big festival downtown or whatever. But right now they've got some flute players and some drums playing backup. But I'm gonna get you some video of just how big this is. I'd say there's 200 people out here, maybe 3. So there's definitely a few out here, and the view cannot be better. Yeah, it's pretty cool. Let you see what's going on right here. There's a lot of people here. There's 200 or 300. A lot more like Hawaiian drums there. There's a couple of people in the audience playing. You're welcome to bring your own. The neat thing about this is this isn't put on by the city or anything. It's just a bunch of people just got together and decided to do this. Get you back in focus here. And they don't charge admission because it's open to the public, and they don't even charge for parking. We're actually parked at a restaurant. We're going to go there afterwards, but serious set, doesn't he? I don't think he walked here. go down, and they'll all go home. Come back next Sunday. Cloud going on. A lot of people still out here though. Well, that is one of the many things that I like about being a full-time RVer is you get to go to different areas and you get to stay a little longer than you would if you were just traveling to that area. And what happens when you stay a little longer, you get to know the area a little more, and you get to plug into items like that. The drum circle isn't something that is really all that advertised very much. There's no big banners or anything like that going on. It's not on the things to do while in Englewood. It's not publicized. But as you can see, they've got a really very big turnout for stuff like that, and it's definitely a lot of fun. I will say, because you always find different things like that going on in a lot of different inside the RV parks and in the local community. But anyway, hope you enjoyed that. If you ever get a chance and you're in Englewood, Florida, and you happen to be here on Sunday night, by all means plug into the drum circle. They've always got different people there, and we plan on going back, that's for sure. We'll be there a couple more times before we leave this area. But to be sure, like and subscribe, send us to your friends who are looking to do something a little different, because that's definitely how we live the coolest life.